Hello, today I'd like to show you how to write the United States. In Chinese, we say 美国,美国,美国. So again, you see this character 国, which means nation or country, and the first character 美. It actually tried to resemble the sound of America. For America, we say 美洲. 美洲, 洲 it's a continent. So 美 itself has a meaning, which is a very positive meaning, meaning pretty, beautiful, or anything that's good, right? So this is 美国. Let's see how these two characters are written. So I hope you like this video and you will learn how to write this character 美, which I'm sure I will come back to this character again, for some other phrases or words. Thank you so much for watching, and please check out other videos as well. Thank you.